Hi, I'm Vivian Arana. I've spent 25 years in the tech industry and the last 7 years focused on AI. Today, I'll be sharing a quick comparison of Google Gemini Enterprise Agent Platform, which Google positions as a unified platform to build, scale, govern, and optimize enterprise AI agents, and IBM watsonx Orchestrate, which IBM describes as a control plane for coordinating agents, workflows, and systems across the enterprise. I'll also explain why IBM can be the better choice for many enterprise environments. Google Gemini Enterprise Agent Platform is Google Cloud's enterprise environment for building and operating AI agents at scale. It is designed to bring together models, agent development tools, orchestration, integrations, governance, and optimization in a single platform experience. In practical terms, Google is positioning this as the next step beyond basic generative AI chat, moving towards systems where agents can reason, interact with business data, and take action across workflows. For organizations already invested in Google Cloud, this can be attractive because it aligns closely with Google's broader ecosystem and creates a more unified path from experimentation to production deployment. The overall message from Google is speed, integration, and a modern agent development experience. IBM watsonx Orchestrate is IBM's enterprise platform for coordinating AI agents, automating tasks, and connecting intelligent workflows across business systems. Rather than focusing only on agent creation, IBM frames Orchestrate as part of a broader enterprise architecture that includes watsonx.ai for AI development, watsonx.data for data access, and watsonx governance for oversight and responsible AI controls. This gives IBM a more modular and enterprise operations-oriented story, especially for companies that need visibility, compliance, and structured process automation. In other words, watsonx Orchestrate is not just about deploying AI agents. It is about making those agents reliable, governed, and useful inside real business environments that often involve multiple teams, applications, and approval paths. When comparing IBM and Google in this space, both companies are clearly addressing the same market need, helping enterprises move from isolated AI tools to coordinated agent-based systems that can support real work. Google's approach appears more unified and cloud-native, especially for organizations already standardized on Google Cloud and related tools. IBM's approach is more enterprise operations focused, with stronger emphasis on governance, integration depth, and structured workflow orchestration across complex environments. So the comparison is not really about whether both can support AI agents, because they can. The more important distinction is strategic. Google is optimized for a streamlined agent platform experience, while IBM is optimized for enterprise control, operational rigor, and business process execution. IBM becomes the better choice when the buyer is a large enterprise that cares deeply about governance, compliance, deployment flexibility, and process control. That is especially important in industries such as banking, healthcare, government, and other regulated sectors where AI systems must be auditable and aligned to strict enterprise policies. IBM also has an advantage when organizations need to connect AI agents into broader operational workflows across systems like SAP, Salesforce, and ServiceNow, rather than simply deploying a more cloud-centric agent platform. In that sense, IBM's value is not just that it offers AI agents, but that it offers a stronger enterprise framework around them. For buyers prioritizing trust, control, and enterprise readiness, IBM is often the more convincing option.